Alright, I'm gonna apologize because it's windier than hell out. So you might hear some wind. But anyway, I just dropped this engine in here. This is the Kubota V2203 I dropped in. Anyway, bring him back here. So, on the back end here where the flywheel is, you see you have this U-joint, and this U-joint is going to connect right under there, your main hydraulic pump, and you see how that thing's splined and whatnot. Anyway, my hand in here. So this knuckle's got to come up and fit on to here. Now, the pain in the dick is I'm only one guy. You know, and the engine's got to weigh, I don't know, 700 pounds, maybe 1,000. Nah, I don't think 1,000, probably like 700 pounds. So, what I did is I dropped the bolts in where it bolts into underneath the unit. So you see these are loose, and I just dropped the two other anchors in there where the motor mounts are. So the reason I did that is because you see I got all this slot here. So my thought is that I can push it forward. So what I hooked up was my little Harrington hoist here. My Harrington hoist here. And what I'm going to do is, as I reach in there, you guys won't be able to see, unfortunately, but as I'm, well, maybe I can get you guys to see, but as I'm reaching in there, I'm going to be cranking on this thing, and hopefully the engine will pick up a little bit and just walk its way back. I might have to put some ass into it, but hopefully, me being one person, I can get this thing onto the shaft and then anchor the engine in. So, again, I'm not too sure if I'll be able to do that, but I'm going to try. I'm actually going to try to squeeze you guys in here, see if you can see what the hell I'm trying to do here. So, I'm trying to put you here so you can see what I'm trying to do. Alright, so let's loosen this hoist up. Okay, yeah. This is a little, I'll show you a video on this hoist, but these are, this is a mini chain hoist. I love this hoist. It'll do like 1,000, it's rated at 1,000 pounds with these little chains, but it's great because you can get into real tight areas with it. And this hoist has saved my ass a number of times. And it's relatively inexpensive. And again, sorry about the wind. It's windier than hell out, but gotta get this project done. And because it's money sitting here. Alright, this thing's slowly getting tighter. Alright. So I got one hand on the knuckle here. See, that thing is, I don't know if the spline is set right, so. Man, I tell you what, I know I'm not a genius, but that fucking worked beautifully. I'm shocked as shit right now how well that worked. I mean, I don't know if you can see, but it went right on. It went right on that coupling there. So, I'm actually shocked how quick that worked, or how easy that was. Feed you in this way. But yeah, if you can see, got that thing on there. Nice. So I'm going to bring it pretty far back. You can see there was a lip there. I'm going to bring it quite a ways back. And then, so, wipe the camera off. So my theory was kind of right. You see how it lifted up the bolts here? So hold on. I'm going to try and do this. See if I'm doing this right. See, I was hoping I could scoot this thing forward. Oh, fuck. Alright. So that worked. Just had to put some ass into it. And that is on there. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Looks like it's gonna come to the left. That was better, man. It's fucking heavy, dude. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my crane in. I'm gonna hook it right to here. Just pick, because the ass is up. I can't get it to wiggle forward. So I'm gonna set the hoist up, hook it onto there, just to pick the front up a little bit. And then I wanna be able to scoot this thing back farther. Like, I wanna go at least another inch, probably like an inch and a half, 2 inches back. So I guess I'm gonna try to sit you up on the ground here. See if that works. I'm using this new stand. Put a propane tank here, so hopefully it blocks some of the wind. Okay. Yeah, she's getting on there. It's working. All right, get this thing out of the way. I might know what I'm doing. bitch is in. Every once in a while I surprise myself. So this is the Harrington half-ton hoist. It's made in it's Japanese. Japanese have very good quality. So between Japanese and American, highly recommend, but Harrington half-ton hoist, great. All right, I'll break it back in here. So as we go in here, you will see that she has set pretty nice. Now, you can see that the U-joint's a little angled, and I gotta fix that. You want it doesn't be perfect, but you want it pretty straight on. And if we're looking underneath the damn thing, gotta make sure this thing's oriented right. Want to make sure this video's not upside down. Anyway, this bolt's all the way here. So we got to do some measurements, but we want to make sure everything is plumb. And it looks like, yeah, this can come over to the left some. So we'll do that, level it out, and go from there. Okay. Yeah, I'm still not used to the YouTube video stuff, but or a GoPro, but from looking at this thing, it looks like the video's upside down. But we'll fix that. Alright, so now I got this thing set. I am just going to cock it to the left some, and then I'm going to snug it down, and I think we'll call that video 1 and go from there.